In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the text font size in ChatGPT. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your screen or wishing the text was just a bit bigger while using ChatGPT, this guide is for you. Let's walk through this process together, starting from the very beginning. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's always good to have a reliable search engine as your starting point. Once Google is up, head over to the search bar and type in ChatGPT. You're aiming for the ChatGPT website, so hit enter and keep an eye out for the official link. Click on it to proceed to the ChatGPT website. Now that you're on the ChatGPT page, you might notice that the text isn't quite the size you'd like. Thankfully, we have a simple solution within your browser settings. Look towards the upper right corner of your browser. You'll see 3 vertical dots. These dots are your gateway to a variety of browser settings. Click on them to open a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you want to locate the zoom feature. Browsers typically have a zoom setting that allows you to increase or decrease the size of everything displayed on the screen, including text. Clicking on this setting will present you with options to either zoom in or out. Here, you'll want to increase the zoom percentage to enlarge the text. You can use the plus button to zoom in. As you adjust, you'll see the text on your ChatGPT page getting larger. Find a size that feels comfortable for reading and navigate through text-heavy sections easily. Conversely, you can also zoom out using the minus button if you need to reduce the size. It's important to adjust the zoom level to match your comfort without losing the overall layout of the website. A zoom level around 100 to 150% usually works well for most people, but don't hesitate to try different percentages until you find what's best for you. With this simple trick, you're not just limited to increasing the text size on ChatGPT, but any website you visit. One tip to keep in mind is that these zoom settings are often saved individually per website, so once set, you won't have to readjust every visit. And that's it. You're all set. Now you can navigate ChatGPT more easily and strain-free. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your experience using ChatGPT much more comfortable. If you have any other tech questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and we'll tackle them together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.